Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder, this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. YouHodler, found at YouHodler.com, offers a suite of financial services revolving around cryptocurrencies. While they initially gained recognition for their crypto-backed loans, YouHodler has expanded its offerings considerably. Users can now engage with a variety of features including savings accounts with attractive interest rates, crypto multiplication tools through their multi-HODL feature, and a trading platform facilitating crypto-to-crypto and crypto-to-fiat exchanges. The platform boasts a user-friendly interface, making it accessible to both novice and experienced crypto enthusiasts. Security is a key priority for YouHodler, employing measures such as two-factor authentication and cold storage for a significant portion of user assets. They also offer a dual insurance program through Ledger Vault and Fireblocks, adding another layer of protection. YouHodler supports a diverse range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and several stablecoins, providing users with flexibility in managing their digital portfolios. It's worth noting that the specific services and interest rates offered by YouHodler can vary based on the user's jurisdiction and the prevailing market conditions. For those interested in exploring the world of crypto lending, borrowing, and earning interest, YouHodler presents a comprehensive platform with a variety of tools to manage digital assets. Be sure to check out their website, YouHodler.com, for the most up-to-date information on their features and offerings. Remember to do your own research and understand the risks associated with cryptocurrency investments before engaging with any platform.